back, everyone. As you can see, the Hondarati is in the shop once again, and I finally have inner and outer tie rods. Now, if you remember last video, we took this car for a test drive and it was all over the road and basically tried to kill me. So, dying is my least favorite thing to do, and I'm hoping these tie rod ends will fix that problem. So, let's get started. Now we got the car jacked up in the air. The passenger side seems all right, but the driver's side, I can move it around like that. That thing is shot. I'm literally surprised it didn't break when I took it out for that test drive. But I'll start on this one and then work my way over. We got the tire off now, and look how much plays in that. It should not be like that. All right, I'm gonna try to remove this castle nut down here. First, I gotta get rid of the stupid cotter pin. Try to get a hammer and pound that out now. There is a right way and a wrong way to do this. If I had a pickle fork handy, I'd just stab it in there, but the hammer's closer. Had to grab the old pickle fork. This thing is on there. Finally. Also, don't forget to loosen up the nut that's right here. That will make a world of difference to get this off. Man, that's a lot of play. Alright, so I finally got that broken free. I just used a big adjustable down there, gripped on it, and then came off, but yeah, the thing is completely shot. So I'm taking this nut right here and trying to line it up as close as I can with this one. So when I go to put my outer tie rod in, I sort of have an idea of where the tire was beforehand, and that's so it'll be a little bit more straighter before I go to take it for alignment. If I do, probably won't. I take this little lock washer, whatever it is. Start by hand. Now I can screw on the outer tie rod end. Someone is mowing up a storm out there. Keep it down. Try to get this squared up now. Yeah, give it a few love taps. Not what you're really supposed to do, but I will. think that's good enough. Good enough for me. Now we can tighten up that nut back here. All right, that should be good. And that is tight. Oh, also, don't want to forget the little cotter pin that goes down in here. There, that's pretty good. Wheels on and no play. It's good for me. Now time to do the other side. This side is not as bad as the other one, but I'll just take the wheel off anyways and check everything out, make sure everything's all right. So I push that boot back over there, and the inner one seems pretty solid, but the outer one right here is shot. I can feel all the grease that's blowing out of here. So let's get on to replacing that. Just trying to get this cotter pin out from the bottom. Come on. Now I gotta break that castle nut free. That was a lot easier than I thought. Just gonna spin this off. Screw the new one on. I really didn't mess with that nut on the inner tie rod end. I just broke it free a little bit and I left it right where it is, so I have some kind of idea of where the alignment should kind of be. Take off the castle nut. Maybe get a few love taps. Nope. Get in your home. There we go. Just snug this up a little bit. Now, where is that cotter pin? A little nipple. Yeah, seems good. Just going to tighten that nut up in the back. Let's throw that tire back on. The car's back on the ground now, so let's take it for a rip. Let's see if this car is going to try and kill me again. Raining out a bit today. Need a bit of gas. Alignment's a little off. A lot off. Ooh. Still doing it. Still has that shake to it. I really don't know what it can be. I'm guessing maybe it could be the alignment, or it's probably the rack and pinion. I don't know. It's something I still have to look into. And there she goes. And just like that, the Hondarati is sold. Got $1,400 for the car, and I got to keep my J-Mag wheels. They're a little rough, but I'm gonna see if I can sell these for some kind of profit. I guess apparently they're pretty rare. Yeah, the guy didn't really even care that the alignment was off that bad. I mean, literally, I didn't think it was bad, but the more I looked at it, tires, well, they're in like that and scooped under. It is what it is, but $1,400 richer now. But I want to end the video here. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys on the next one.